Thanks for watching Dairy Farm Kind of Life. I'm Lauren. Please join my family and I as we learn alongside you in all things dairy farming and strive to bridge the gap from farm to table. I hope you enjoy the episode. We're heading down to the river to see if it's frozen and to explore down there. Is it frozen?
It's frozen.
You don't want to go very far though. Look at the water poking through over there.
Not totally frozen.
Oh, it's cracking! It's cracking!
We're not going swimming today, Kylie. So I just finished feeding the calves. I wanted to get it on video, but Kylie decided that she wanted to experiment with the phone and took about 16 videos of the milk house floor. So I didn't get that today, and now I'm just gonna feed the puppy and then find the kids. I think they've started playing outside in the sand pile, so that should be fun to clean up. Got her big bowl of food here. Oh, and she's right at the door. Hey, Piper. Can you sit? No, down, sit. Good girl. You want some food? There you go. Say hi. Hi. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 10 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
5 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What time is it, Mr. Wolf? 5 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What time is it, Mr. Wolf? What time? Ah!
Are you ready to do homeschool?
No.
What about you? Are you ready? Kylie?
I'm just.
What is that? What are you eating?
I'm ready.
What is that?
Yeah.
Is that a booger?
Mom, I see it.
When it's done. Oh, nice. Wow.
Wow.
Whoa!
Can I see it, Mom?
You got some power bouncing off the ceiling.
That one was
Mommy,
moving
can
pretty
I
fast.
see
What do you guys want to have for dinner tonight?
it?
I have fish out.
Chicken fingers and fries.
No, I have fish out.
Hot dogs.
No, I have fish.
Hot dogs.
Do you want me to make fish cake?
Crush that one.
We made some bird feeder treats. And we filled up a bird feeder, but it broke. It fell down and broke. Where are some of the other treats? It doesn't seem that there's any birds coming to them anyway. That's a rooster shape. No, I see it on the ground here. See? It fell. So I don't know if we have to get a different type of bird seed or what. What do you think?
Maybe one tried it. And
I got a call from a filming studio and we're gonna have a short film filmed in our barn. So that'll be pretty exciting. And
6 o'clock in the morning, and one of the first things I do when I get to the barn is rake the stalls for the cows, rake all the sand out and make it a nice new bed for them again. So I'll show you guys a video of me raking a section here.
It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Tuesday, and Eddie has the older two. He took them to a play offered to homeschool families. Well, actually it's for schools too, but homeschool families were able to join in. And I just thought I would come to the barn to check on things in here, push feed in. We actually had 2 calves last night. The first one was born while we were having dinner. Eddie came back out to the barn and the calf was born and everything was great. It's a heifer calf, so that's good news. We like the girls. And then unfortunately through the night, there was another, but unfortunately it was not alive when Eddie made it to the barn this morning, which doesn't happen too often, and it's definitely sad when it does happen. And it was a heifer calf, so that's even more of a loss for us, but these things happen. And we'll just go check on the mom and see how she's doing. And yeah, I'll show you guys. I actually, the first time I've ever seen a calf born was in January of 2023. So I have been in this life for about 7 years, and it was the first one I actually got to watch. There were so many that were like so close, either I just missed it or I just left and then the calf was born, but I actually finally got to see one this year. So there's the baby calf that was born and is alive, number 24. I'll have to give her a name. We go down through the alphabet and give each female calf a name that starts with the next letter of the alphabet, and I'm forgetting which letter I'm on now, but I don't want to go in there because the dog's in there. I'm holding Kylie and I don't want either of these mums to freak out. So this is the cow, or you call her a heifer if it's her first calf. So she just had her first calf last night. Unfortunately, that was the one that was not alive, but the mom seems to be doing well. She's laying down chewing, so that's a good sign. That means she's eating. And there is the mom of the baby calf I just showed you. She's also up and eating, so that's all good. And they both seem to be doing very well. Ladies, how's it going? Hello, this one just got milked. She's feeling good. Gonna go have a bite to eat. Another one's going in the robot there. So I would say things are good in the barn. And he asked me if I could push feed in for him, so I'm just gonna do that now. The barn definitely feels longer when you have to push all that feed in. So one of the reasons that we do push in the feed in the middle of the day is not only to allow them to have access to more fresh feed, but even if they have some in front of them, it encourages the cows that are laying down to get up, get something to eat, probably go get milked. So then it just, encourages them to produce more milk, which is a bonus for us and for the consumer, and that's why we do that. Here are the calves. Looking pretty good. I think we'll need to bed them up this evening, put some more straw in their hutches to keep them nice and warm and dry in this yucky weather. It's hard to believe it's January. I think it's like +6 today. Hey, lady. So yeah, this is a super hutch. It holds 3 calves. See how it's crushed there? It's brand new, but back in it was probably still the fall, but early winter, we had a big snowfall and then it all melted pretty quickly. And there was so much snow that just slid from the roof right onto the hutch. I'll see if I can find some pictures of it, but the snow was like right up to here. We had some calves come out of the pen and they were just like roaming around the yard, and then there was on this side there was snow filled in all the fences. So this happened Yes? So yeah, now Eddie's putting snow guards on the, you can see he's put them there. Snow guards on the roof. Not sure why we did, we're not sure why we didn't do that when we built the barn, but hindsight is 2020, right? So like I said earlier, these calves need to be bedded up. We need to add straw to their hutches, so I'm just gonna do that now, and I will show you how I do it. So I have them bedded up. I'll just show you what it looks like on the inside now. It's pretty dark in there. I tried to do this earlier so it was light, but it's nice and fluffy. They've got lots of straw to keep comfortable through this wet, cool night. Hey, Curly. And then the other ones actually don't really need it. They're nice and fluffy. And then Eddie's gonna bring that new calf in the barn out, so he'll just use the rest of this straw for that hutch. Eddie just brought the baby out. So now he's gonna get a hutch for her.
Mama,
Yeah, you can pet her. It's okay, she's not gonna get you. She's confused. She's wondering what's going on.
Hi, she won't run away from you.
Oh, she's getting up. You're getting a new neighbor. Your new neighbor's moving in.
Mom, can you do
She's like, I don't know, I just want milk.
Mom, can you take a picture of this a big bingo?
Big Bingo?
Yeah,
That's what you've named this one? Big Bingo?
Yeah.
Big Bingo.
Mom, just take a picture. Take a picture now. Dad, don't be mean to the new cat.
He's not being mean, he's just directing her where to go.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to put a coat on it, Lauren?
Yeah, I'll do that.
There's one more deal of our one in a bag there.
Okay. Maybe just don't put the gate on tight. Keep going. You need some help?
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Mom, now we're
Mountains. Okay, I'm over here at the computer. I'm just gonna find out what letter we have to name calf number 24. We are on O. So I'll have to tell Eli it's an O name. Okay, thanks for doing that job. Eli, what was the name what name would you like for the letter O?
Oreo.
Oriole?
Yeah.
Okay, Oriole is our new calf's name. Oriole.